everybody, this video is inspired by the Big Brother 2004 winner, Nadia Almada. She is a total trans icon. She is, I think last year, it was 2004, last year would have been her 20-year anniversary of winning. I absolutely love Nadia. I hope if you see this, Nadia, you know how much we appreciated the visibility back in the day. We appreciate how cunty you have gotten over the years. We live. The makeup and hair are all inspired by one photo. You can see the photo here. And it's honestly super easy for the curl. It's just a huge, like, 2-inch curling iron. And you're set. You're good to go. Don't mind my cat. If you ever saw my video inspired by my cats, my video is inspired by my pets. Like, I did makeup inspired by them. That's Tissue. He's very loud, very talkative. He's a Siamese. I guess that's like a common trait for them. Anyway, Nadia, if you see this, thank you so much for being a trans icon. Hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Alrighty, so we are going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, the skinny brown pencil. And we are just filling in the brows, very simple. I've been growing in my brows, so this video was filmed quite a while ago, I believe in April. But, okay, so I film on an iPod Touch, the last version of the iPod Touch that they created. And now, instead of just uploading right to YouTube, which I used to love, that's why I don't want like a camera or anything. And so now the YouTube app does not support the older iPod Touches. So I'm devoed. So now what I have to do, which is jokes, I have to actually like download it as a file to my iPod or to my cloud to go to my phone, so I can then download it to my phone and then upload it. So truthfully, it's a total fucking hassle and it sends me right over the edge. I hate doing it. I love doing YouTube videos, and honestly, that's the only reason why I haven't been posting. So I'm gonna try to get back into it. Anyway, like, that doesn't even matter. So Louise Base on the eyes, and then I'm using Top in the crease, and I'm Shy just in the inner corner of the eye and then on the brow bone. And I'm kind of blending Top and I'm Shy on the lid. I'm not using like a definitive eyelid shade, so to speak. The look is super simple, super effortless. Nadia isn't a girl that wears like tons of mug, at least in the photos that I've seen, because she doesn't need it. She's cunty without it, you feel me? And for eyeliner, we'll be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Gothic Beachproof eyeliner. If there's anyone with good eyeliner from the drugstore, give me some recommendations. I want it to be really black and matte. Okay, it could be shiny, but whatever. Just really black, and I hate when it bleeds into my eye because I do have watery eyes. So like maybe waterproof, I don't know. And I used the Lancome Lash Idole Mascara and threw some lashes on top. Then I'm just cleaning up that outer area. And we are going to be going ahead and going into the face. I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'll be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer, the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. So I'm going to be using like kind of my skin color in the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. And then I'll be using a white color for the Magic Star Concealer, the Jeffree Star version. For foundation, I'll be using L'Oreal True Match Lumi. Love that one. It's my favorite. I've used it for millennia. A very long time. And yeah, just blending that out. It's nothing too crazy. It's nothing too dramatic on the face either. Just some nice coverage, a pretty blush, a touch of bronzer, like very, very little bronzer. For foundation, what I like to do is take a foundation brush and spread that all over my face, and then I go back over it with a sponge to get rid of any of the streaks or anything, but I like to spread it evenly all over my face with a brush just to make sure that the coverage is sufficient everywhere. I find when I pounce with a sponge, wherever I pounce is going to have the most coverage, and then it doesn't kind of spread to the rest of the face, if that makes sense. So this is that white concealer. I used to use this ages ago, and because I love a bright under eye, and I've just been getting back into it. I've been loving it, honestly. I also like the Kimchi Chic the most concealer, the white version. So going ahead and applying that, and then I will go ahead and I will do some liquid blush. I'll be using P. Louise Coral Morals liquid blush. Also, I don't know if this is something you are interested in, but I do live stream these tutorials as well too on my TikTok if you would like to go check it out. I don't do it as often, but like I said, I am going to try getting back into it more. I already have another video filmed that I have to put up, so I'll be going ahead and doing that some point after this. Whenever I can get around to editing it, doing the voiceover, and then fucking saving it to my files like a reject. And then I'm using the Makeup Revolution Light Ultra Cream Bronzer. Just doing some light bronzing of the skin. Nothing too severe or crazy. And I'll be using the MAC Studio Fix powder all over the face as well, and then I will use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. So I like to make sure everything is 100% set, and then I will dust everything off. And I did forget to, oh no, I have it written down here. It's the YSL 57 Make Me Blush Powder Blush that I used. And then for lips, I used the Wet n Wild 666 Lip Liner, the Prada B101 Soft Matte Lipstick, and then the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Fatality Supreme Gloss. Just a really nice neutral lip. Very wearable. This is like very office mug, you feel me? I mean, when I worked in an office, I definitely did a lot more mug than this, but you get me. Then I do the Creme Shop and Hello Kitty Makeup Perfecting Mist. And I also forgot to do under my eye. I'm using the Made by Mitchell Make a Toast All Smudge No Budge Eyeliner. And then just smearing it with my finger. For hair, super simple. Middle part with that large iron. And then just super loose curls. I don't exactly have the same color as Nadia, but, you know, you work with what you got. And I curl all away from my face. This has bangs too, so it is a little bit more curly towards the front, but just give that a flatten. Make sure you don't burn your forehead if you do that. I've done that way too many times. And yeah, I also did not glue this wig down, so whatever. Love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.